Hello mga madam. Good morning. Lang ako. Today is Saturday. Sabado ngayon mga madam. At may nag-order nga sa akin ng kutsinta. So, gagawa ako ngayon ng kutsinta. Madam, alas ano pa lang dito? 7 a.m. Pero kukunin niya mga 9 a.m. pa or mga 10. Kasi medyo malayo din yung kanyang biyahe. So, aga akong naligo para fresh, para makipag-meet tayo. Follower ko siya guys sa Facebook. Para pag makipag-meet tayo, fresh na fresh ang ating aura. Mga ingredients para sa aking kutsinta. Kasi yung order niya guys, 24 pieces lang man. Nagpapa-order lang naman ako pag pag may mga occasion. Or gusto nilang mag-try, yun lang naman. Pero malay natin in the future, pag lumaki na yung baby ko at madami akong mapapa-order, ay i-career ko na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, i-ano ko muna to. Painitin ko na yung tubig. Para mamaya ilalagay ko na lang kasi mabilis lang naman tong mixture. Madami na nga to. Sobra na to. Tapioca flour or cassava flour mga madam. Cooking show na naman ako. Ay hala. Ito na yung aking mixture guys. O nilagyan ko na lang din ng 4 cups ng water. At saka 1 tablespoon ng lye water or yung lihiya. 1 tablespoon lang. Kasi ito yung nagpapakunat ng ating kutsinta. Dapat meron ka talaga nito. Pag wala ka nito, hindi to siya magiging kutsinta. Para pinong-pino talaga siya mga madam. Yung ating mixture. Parang walang bilog-bilog. Pero gusto ko din naman yung ganitong kulay ng kutsinta guys. Yung kulay brown. Natural lang. Malalaki itong kutsinta ako guys. Nagpapasteam na ako guys ng mga kutsinta. 30 minutes yan. Sa low fire lang. And then ngayon, prepare na ako ng breakfast. Asawa ko sa kanya bacon. Bacon and eggs. Gusto niya to yung bacon. Yung bacon guys, ilalagay sa lagyan ng yung medyo batok, yung medyo sunog. Then ilagay ko sa sa itlog. Ko lang to. Air fry. Then itlog. Nagigising kami mga late na. Minsan 8:30, 9. Minsan gumagala kami. Mamaya ewan ko kung gagala kami. Hindi ako sure. Then bukas, Sunday, pupunta ng church. Mamaya mag-grocery pala ako guys. Ang bilis ng maubos ng itlog sa amin. Kahapon lang to nabili. Okay. Oo, kahapon lang. 18 na piraso. Ngayon na lang. Kunti na lang natira. Ay nako, 5 itlog lang. Malaki. Malalaki yung aking kutsinta guys. niya kasi yung overload na cheese. Dami-dami cheese. Yung buhay housewife na madiskarte. Para maganda tayo, guys, may extra income tayo kahit sa bahay lang, no? Hindi tayo masabihan na, no? Eh, di naman ako sinasabihan ng asawa ko ng pabigat ako. Yung mga ano lang yung nag-comment ng ganyan, yung mga nanonood. Pero syempre, guys, kahit sa Pilipinas ako, nagbibenta ako ng mga kung ano-ano, pagkain. Pero may income ako na akin talaga. Kasi ayaw niya akong payagan na magtrabaho. So, syempre, gagawa ko ng paraan para magkapera. Yung aking niluto, guys, na munggo. Yan yung aming breakfast. Itlog, kape, and then yung aking chicharon. Sorry. Thank you, Lord. Your blessing.
Bread.
Huh?
I got it.
Isang bread. Sarap. Thank you, Lord. Okay, gatas pala. It's not sweet na, baby. It's bitter.
What is
I don't really put sugar in it. You like it? Sarap ng aking ano dito. Parang lechon. Pare sa munggo. Crispy. Yeah, try ko. Super crispy. Sarap. Yummy. I want to open the gifts later too. Baby, I have a question for you. Yeah, I already say that. Yeah, a lot of people are saying that nowadays people can't live if they're just I mean the family can't really survive if only the man works. And yeah, I'm a housewife. Maybe it depends on the situation. If
Why is it all on me?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe it depends on the situation because me, even I'm home, I'm still helping him. Like, I still have income. Just that by doing this or, yeah, I'm resourceful. Maybe it depends on your wife too.
Yep. You don't need to work. You got my retirement.
Well,
When I die, my
Maybe that's-
retirement goes to you. So why?
that's what some
You make
people.
enough now.
That's what some people are really worrying about me
They're
because,
worried.
yeah, because I don't have a work. So how's your retirement? How's your SSN?
It goes to you.
Is it
My
SSN?
retirement does anyway. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it depends on the retirement of your husband. So if your husband got a good retirement and then, it
You
didn't
make
work.
enough. Don't live beyond your means.
Yeah,
I guess.
we just live below your means. And then, hopefully by the time, we already have a paid-off house. That's the important thing. Like, you have a paid-off house.
Hopefully.
Yeah. But we don't really plan to stay here in California. I mean, in the future, we need to move in other state. So we're gonna sell this house.
Yeah. Get more for our money somewhere else. That's our plan.
Yeah, that's our plan in God's will. But for now, we still can't leave because his son is here, and his work is still here. So it's not that easy. Maybe let's see, 5 years from now, hopefully.
Hopefully.
5 years. I mean, I like here in California too because it's different. I like the state. And then when you go to the Philippines, the fare is not really that. I mean, it can be expensive too, but at least it's way more cheaper compared in other state because there's no layover. And then it's a direct flight. That's what the thing that I like to stay here in California. And the weather, it's
Yeah, it's good.
I like the weather in here. Especially, there's no winter. But my husband, he loves winter.
Yeah.
He likes cold. That's why he wants to move in a state where there's a lot of snow.
because he grows up here. So you're not used to, you're not used in the snow, you're not used in the snow.
Yeah.
Me, I don't like snow, guys, because when I got here first time, it's like my nose is bleeding. It's bleeding. Maybe not really a lot, but I bleed.
Really? I don't remember this.
Yeah. I always bleed.
Huh.
Like if I have a runny nose,
I don't remember that.
it bleeds. That's why I don't like cold. And when I got here, like you get a cracked lips. But I don't know you don't have it.
No. I like the cold.
When I got here, it was December. Yeah, I'm almost 1 year now here. That's so fast.
Yeah.
December 6th. Yeah, it was cold when I got here. And the first time, like, I was amazed because there's a sun and then it's cold. Like, I can't believe, wala, it's really like this. I never experienced this in the Philippines. That's my first impression.
Yeah.
I was like very, what is it, ignorant? Ignorant, that's what you, yeah. He bring me to the San Francisco Bridge because it's just near the airport. He picked me up at the airport. Then we just take some pictures in there. Just that. And yeah, California is good, especially like a lot of Filipinos in here. I got a lot of friends in here, and they were good. Like they treat me as their own family.
Yung mga kutsinta na ginawa ko, guys. And then meron pa ako dun sa ref kasi dinamihan ko para may extra siya. 5 minutes away na lang siya. Pinapa-cold ko pa yung ibang kutsinta. Kagagawa ko lang ng bago kanina para mainit-init. At ito yung niyog. Nagyan ko siya ng 3 cups ng grated coconut. Malapit na pala siya. Hindi ko nang kunin yung mga ano. Yung lumpia. Lagay ko sa balawan ko. Lumpia sa kutsinta. Madami yung kutsinta.
Beef ang sinasabi mo din, no?
Ha?
Beef?
Oo, beef. Ayaw ko.
Bakit mo na kain ng pork?
Okay lang pork, kaso mas gusto ko yung beef kasi mabango. Pini-frozen. Hindi na to siya magdikit-dikit kasi ano naman ito. Kasi pag ano, wala kang may cooler ko.
Wala din, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Mag-ito po.
Pero matagal ba yung biyahe mo?
Ididembros ko rin naman siya din eh.
Ay, pero piniprito ko to siya. Mas maganda prito mo ganito pa. Para crispy.
Oo, ganyan.
Yung dapat deep fried mo.
Pwede ba sa air fryer to?
Air fryer lang. Tapos mag air fryer. Pangit yung
Pangit.
para basa. Frozen.
Piniprito. Hindi matalisik. Matalisik.
Tumalsin kasi takpan mo lang.
Serve ko sa iyo.
Oo, sige. Thank you so much.
I'm so tall.
Picture kami.
Picture. Pilipina.
Oh, jeez.
Very good.
Oh, yeah.
Maganda.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. And then I'm ordering again on
Kids are good.
26 din ha?
26, oo, sige.
Because I'm bringing that in.
My order 26.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Go to Phoenix.
Nice meeting you guys.
Bye-bye.
Ito kami ngayon sa Target, guys. Ayan. I'm just gonna look because they have sales. Look for some sales. I never went to that Michael's. It's just, what is Michael's, babe? It's just store, department store. You never went there too?
I have to.
Get some. See a lot of people today. Ay. Some. Look. $12. I like this one. Doorknob. Wala, ang ganda din guys. Oh. Are you looking, babe? Christmas stuff? So guys, oh, meron silang 40% off. $30. So siguro kukuha ako na... Ay, this one. 40 pang Christmas. 40% off. Ito yung kinuha ko guys, oh. Kasi naka $15 each lang siya. My husband is there. Babe, I got this. Two. $15 each.
That?
Yeah, I don't have sleepwear. It's my first time to buy sleepwear in here. Because naka-sale. Babe, madami na silang Christmas tree, Christmas stuff. 40% off. Christmas tree. Let's see how much is Christmas tree here. It's a cute ribbon. Allah, this is so tall. Babe, this is the one you want? Tall one? Huh? Oh, the one in Amazon?
Right now, yeah.
Allah. Ah, it's way more expensive in here. Day 25. Then, meron pala sila ditong guys, Dubai na chocolate. Yung tag $11. Mahal naman. Gusto ko yung dark chocolate. Ito siguro kukunin ko. Ito na 90%. Gusto ko ito yung mapait talaga. Ito lang muna yung itatry ko guys. Yung, kasi na siya tag $6. So try ko to. Kung ano yung lasa niya. Kuha din ako nito guys. Kasi gusto niya ng chocolate drink. So I'm gonna try this. 100 unsweetened. Bili muna ako guys ng I don't have my wallet. I just have my bag. I don't have my wallet. I'm gonna cue sugar daddy. Bili muna ako guys ng matcha green tea sa Starbucks. Ganda. Pero may nakita ako ditong guys, free taste. Tignan ko. Oh, akala ko may free taste. Ay hala, cute nito oh. Is it real? $8? Yes. Oh, it's real. Totoo pala. Ay, oo. First time kong pakita nito ha. Hala, ang ganda guys. Yung glitters. Let's go. Ito na yung aking matcha frap. Mapang Christmas. Pinagulat ko dito. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna put it back. Where is it?
I think it's either that way or it's got to push it to the center.
Look.
Can you do it?
I'll do it. I don't know. I'm gonna find it.
You got to push it.
Just do it. Thank you. It's open, huh?
So,
Hindi na muna. Naglimit-limit na ako sa kape. Na yung tawag heartburn or hindi, yung ba mapait dito yung sa lalamunan mo. Lumalabas na kami ng ganito guys pag wala siyang trabaho. Kasi pag may trabaho pagod na. Kaya minsan na lang kami makakagala.
Mamaya try ko yun yung ano, chocolate. Mabuti nakita ko, meron pala tag ano lang, tag $6. Pero mahal pa rin ha. Pistachios. We're home! After almost 2 hours. Nag-arrange siya ako ng mga grocery guys. I like that film, you arrange it.
I got one.
And I get tired. We bought some food for my stepson. Corn. Biscuits. Filipino accent biscuit. Roasted peanuts. Sourdough. Yeah, I love this one. Then, ilalagay ko sa ref. Lagyan ko ng cream cheese. O yung jalapeno na nabili ko kahapon sa grocery. So, ayan. Wheat bread. And then, ang buti na lang nakakita ako ng nakaalala ko. Bibili pala ako nito para sa aking order. Mga order na lumpia. Dito ko nalagay. Babe, by the way, about the did you order like for my food? Like you're gonna remove the air, what is it called again?
I haven't bought that yet. I'm gonna buy it.
But it's okay. It's okay though. Not really. Just soon. But I need that if I freeze some food, especially meat. So guys, yung nabili. I bought this one so babe, but it's for spring. For fall season supposed to. But I'm gonna put it there.
Okay.
Then steam, I'm gonna use this for steam over. What is that? Animal cracker. It's the clothes that I bought, guys. Excited na ako for the Christmas outfit ko to. And then I'm gonna have the baby. I'm excited. Yep. And this one I got it for $15. Nag-sale siya from $30. Short. This one is short. Then this one too. I got this for $21. Maganda nito guys ng sleepwear. Ang ganda na. Made in Vietnam. Ganda ng kanilang ayan yung itsura niya. Ano siya,
I'm sorry, dude. I can't help you put that away.
It's okay. It's okay. That's fine. Extra small. So, ko din itong mag-Christmas. Ito mga ganito guys. Minsan ko ito sinusuot pag pupunta ka ng hotel. O mga special occasion. Pag may bisita ka. Pero, pero pag nasa bahay lang ako, minsan, kung ano lang yung mga suot, malaki na t-shirt, yun yung sinusuot ko. Kasi, parang gusto ko suotin kung may mga mga special event. Pang tulong. Lagay ko na ito. Babe! We got all the package! Maraming i-open na package. Wait, dumating na yung aming Christmas tree. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, bili na kami ng Christmas tree. Saging. Ito guys, ito, yung Dubai na chocolate. I-vlog ko. Cheese sticks. May sale na recess na chocolate. Carrots para sa stepson ko. Lagyan ng ranch. Favorite nito. Yogurt. Taco seasoning. Kokwa. Then itlog. Tortilla. Then para dito sa stepson ko, organic na drink. Pizza sauce. Then syrup. natin ito sa stepson ko. Yung lagay natin sa buhok niya. And then mustard. And pretzels. Ito lang yung mga nag-grocery namin. Magkano ba lahat to? Then, this one. Nasa ano to guys? Nasa, I think, $184. Kasi bumili ako ng ano, yung nagpamahal yung binili ko na damit. Pero pag mga ganito lang, siguro mga nasa ano lang siya. Mga nasa 150. Mga 150 na siguro. Ito lang yung lahat ng mga napamili namin. Tatry ko na itong ano. Ano pala yung package. Dumadami na talaga yung package. Hindi ko na-open kahit isa. Ay, ito pa. Babe, we got the package. The Christmas tree. Daming tao sa labas, guys. Naglalaro, tapos may birthday na naman ulit. Para to sa ano. Ito yung aming Christmas tree. So, i-assemble ko to. Next week na lang kasi mag-open pa ako ng mga baby stuff at mag-arrange ng room ng baby. Try ko na to, guys. Yung Dubai chocolate. First time. Late na ako sa trend, pero tatry ko to ngayon. Kasi nakita ko sa may nakita ko sa grocery na ganito. Try natin siya kung masarap ba. Yung binili ko yung nasa ano lang, nasa pack. Kasi konti lang. Ayan. Pistachio. Yung pistachio, tama ba? Oo. Ay. Pala yung ano niya sa loob. Ganito pala siya. Nabili ko to siya guys ng ano, $6. I-model natin. Suran ko muna. Okay. Let's eat. Oo, pistachio talaga yung ano niya. Yung baho niya. Pero mas nagustuhan ko yung pistachio na ano, na nuts compare sa tawag doon, sa cashew. Kala ko pistachio filling, pero yung kanyang filling ganito, oh. Na-roll na. Parang na-mix na ba? Kala ko green talaga. Pero nakalagay, pistachio filling. Ano talaga tayo niyo? Na-scam? Okay lang, parang Toblerone. Tama na, isa lang yung try ko guys kasi natatakot na ako. Sweets. Baka lumubo sa baby sa loob. Okay lang, parang Toblerone. Parang may medyo crunchy-crunchy lang siya kasi sa ano, sa filling. Pero dapat sana yung binili ko na lang yung isa. $11. Next time na lang. So that's all for today's video mga madam. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, my name is Marie Rose Vlog 2 with Blue Mark Check. God bless everyone. Bye!